convocation day. Woo! Convocation day. So on the day of the convocation, we're just feeling ourselves, doing our thing, making sure we are ready, we are looking snatched, we are looking beautiful. Of course, we didn't do any makeup, but we used just normal pink powder. I was dressing and my parents have left home. They brought rice for our well wishers and all, so that was so beautiful. My parents came, my brothers came. I have two siblings, one elder and one younger. So, and oh my god, that was so beautiful experience for me. Now marching into the hall, getting to campus, guys. You guys, the hold up, the traffic inside the campus. Like it is more than the traffic in Lagos Highland. Like the traffic was so massive, but thankfully we took by. We would have taken what's it called, bus. We will not meet them in the hall. So we took bike, so it was a bit faster, and we got to the hall. Taking some pictures, taking some photos. The experience was just so unforgettable, interesting. So getting to the hall, they sang, we danced.
As we did for our country Nigeria, for the national anthem and the beautiful anthem.
Please, they should project Alimantan.
And there was an award for people that did well. Yes, there was an award. We sang, we did. Oh, I think it was just so beautiful. The experience was just so beautiful, like so beautiful, so beautiful. So after the hall, I went to meet my parents. I took some pictures. So it was just a beautiful experience for me. I'm just so grateful to God. And finally, it is time to go home, right? It is time to go. So we went home. Again, traffic, but at least it was better. Like it was actually better. And we went home, guys. I'm so grateful. If you followed my convocation series from the first episode to the last episode, I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful in all. So much for watching from the beginning to the end. If you watch one or two, thank you so much for even clicking on my videos. Like you just saw me and you just clicked on my video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I pray that this will not cease from your household, from you, in the mighty name of Jesus. And you are looking up onto something like this, don't worry, it is your doorstep already for you to even see this video. to not sit from you in the mighty name of Jesus. And if you're thinking that this is not possible, or you can't make this grade, you can't make first class, you can't make this grade or this scale, there's nothing impossible. Like, I'm a living testimony. Maybe I'll make a video on that. I'm a living testimony of that. Like, conveniently, without even any stress.